Hello, David Comptor again in the lab with the RSG, and we're looking at a textured sample now, where the RSG can look at both the high bumps and the low bumps. What we got is a sample with high and low bumps. The gray part are the high bumps, and the clear part are the low bumps. And what's interesting is, since the gray part have pigments in them, we don't see the back side, so we can't correlate the height of the gray bumps with the ID of the tube. So how would you correlate the gray bumps with the clear section of the tube? You can use the RSG. So the reference signal generator gives you that reference peak, which is over here, and you get a distance to the next surface that you're interested in. And depending on whether you have, in this case, two surfaces, which means you're on the clear peak, you have a air gap before the whole tube, from the reference to the first peak of the clear part of the tube. You get about 10.14 millimeters. And now let's go see if we can find a gray peak. I think I'm in the wrong direction, because I said there's the gray peak. Yeah, I set it up so we'd be close to a gray peak. So here we are. We're at the, see those two peaks there is the clear peak. And then I just move a little bit and boom, okay, there's the gray peak. And the gray peak is at 8.655 millimeters. So there you go. You know that the difference, 10.146 minus 8.655, is the height of the gray portion of this sample. And you can only get that with, in this case, with the RSG. And that's allows you to see those ripples on top, even if you can't see the ID all the way across. Okay, again, David Comptor. Hope this gives you an idea of what you can do with an RSG. I'm sure there's many other applications. If you got any questions, give Lumetrics a call. We can help you figure out if an RSG or an OptiGauge II is right for your application. Thanks again.